Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla lemonade. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, water, and pure vanilla extract. You'll also need a juicer, a large pitcher, and a stirring spoon. Having all your tools and ingredients ready before you begin makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome. Next, we'll create a simple vanilla syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Let it cool completely before the next step. Now, it's time to juice your lemons. Using a citrus juicer, extract about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice from 6 to 8 medium lemons. Strain out any seeds or pulp if you prefer a smoother drink. Pour this fresh lemon juice into your large pitcher, then add the cooled vanilla simple syrup you just prepared. This forms the flavorful base. Finally, dilute your lemonade to taste. Add 3 to 4 cups of cold water to the pitcher, depending on your desired strength and sweetness. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. For the best flavor, chill your vanilla lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving over ice. Enjoy your refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.